Oh!
What up, YouTube? We out here at Bass Pro, about to fish.
Pussy smack. Look at this dude. What is he wearing?
You got balls, kid.
What is he wearing?
You got balls, kid.
How's your day going, Jeremiah?
Jeremiah.
George.
Okay. Hey. Okay. Hey.
Alright, dream yesterday. Scary. Y'all wanna know? Listen to my dream, right? So we was at school, right? It was me, you, Joe, and George, and no homo. Yeah, y'all was in a dream. We were at school, and then Mr. McCullough was like, he was just chilling there, being all creepy and stuff, and looking at us and stuff. And I was like, bro, Johnny, look, bro, there's Mr. McCullough right there. And then, mind you, it's like 12 o'clock at night. I don't know why we at school, okay? Then this nigga, Mr. McCullough, turned into a damn, what's those called? Sirens?
Mr. McCullough?
Yeah, turned into a siren. The things that like look at you and they shapeshift.
Percy Jackson.
Yeah, okay. So then he turned on one of those, and then he grabbed Johnny and ate his head, and then his neck was still going like this. I was like, I woke up so fast, cause the dude grabbed me next. I woke up so fast. That shit was so scary, bro. Tell us what you getting, Jesse.
So I'm getting some watermelon red pumpkin, and then some green pumpkin.
Sounds like weed.
What are you talking about, kid?
Excuse me, sir. All right.
Okay.
Okay, no. So I was thinking, there's like, we buy some of these things, the fishes, and we set them free to the ocean.
We set them what?
We set them free. Just put water in them, and they'll come back to life. And then, yeah.
You're a good man, George.
We need more people like you.
Hey.
More people like you in this.
Thanks, guys.
I'm about to hit this biker.
Look at this dude.
So breathe strong enough, baby. Leave it so high if we won't touch the ground. Hell, can we look up?
Oh! Shit! Oh!
The guy didn't look at him. You think it's a llama or alpaca? I don't know. Yeah.
Oh, he said dip?
Look at him crossing his leg. We like those!
Oh, no, I don't want to. No, thank you.
Hey, thumbnail.
George, you have to hold it.
Hold up. Thumbs up right here.
I already got my...
Here.
Hey.
Fucking kiss it.
Oh,
Kiss it.
fuck.
I don't want to see it. On the...
Damn it.
Did you use the lizard one?
Yeah?
Oh, Chester!
Not dog. Hey, those are not dog.
What are those?
So how's it going? Okay then. What you gotta say? You gonna say something or what?
The fucking worm landed on his hoodie.
There was a fish on it! No, there wasn't, it got snatched!
It got stuck. It probably did get stuck.
Look! Look at my worm. Look at my rollie. No, look at your rollie. Look at my worm. That's a small face. No, that's a small worm right there. Nigga, you broke it.
Yes.
Look at the trouble.
today?
The dog.
Close the door, bro.
What are those?
Oh shit, they're. Oh shit.
Hey, whose dog is those, bro? Why one scared and one not? You petting it?
Hi. Bro, look at his eyes. Come here. Let's take it. Hey, we can go to my house. Tell him. Look, he's licking me. Oh, that nigga. Fuck you. Aw. Hi.
Really petting this.
Bro, look at his eyes. That's crazy. Look at the eyes. That's wet. Crazy. See ya.
You got another theory, Jamal? There's an animal shelter over there.
They broke out. Well, okay, so look, those dogs that we just seen, what if they just broke out and now, like, say we tried to take them back, they just gonna break out again because what if they getting beat up and stuff? What if that animal shelter beat up dogs? Whip them. Hurt them. That's probably why they broke out. That's probably where they came from.
That's crazy.
Conspiracy.
You said.
Look at these dudes. You got caught up.
I don't know what you heard, but
I know you heard that shit.
I heard it.
know you heard that shit.
Something about a Beyblade.
Nigga, that's a bar, bro.
Okay, go
Like
ahead.
a Beyblade, I rip.
Was the addy to your crib? 26. I don't took no block, boy. I know you see that stick. And if you run up on me like a Beyblade, I rip. I don't know what you heard, but a ticket with the shit. I never duck a op unless he is a snitch. And I'm still out here jugging, cause I can't even resist. And I still got ops, so I'm still hitting licks. Bitch, I'm 10K, and I'm steady on the clock. And the feds want my head, and I'm always finessing. I can never ever stop. If a nigga try to press me like.
Go see me home. Hey, see me home. Nigga, am alone. Hey, still going off the head. Hey, still going. Hey, still going. Fucked up, still going off the head. See me in my bed. Hey, see me in my bed.
You recorded that?
You recorded that? I'm steady trapping. Hey, steady trapping. Snapping turtle.
Okay.
Make a nigga do a hurdle.
Oh.
Cranberry.
That was
thank you very
low-key
much,
gay.
you know
That was-
shit. And Mary. Hey, yeah, I'ma still go. Fortnite, nigga. I just said that. I can't rap on camera.
Oh, that's a good view. Look at this view. Tell me that's not for the vlog.
What? Did you hear what the fucking
Oh, we about to pass by our old school, bro.
this?
Yeah. Eckert's. Eckert High School, guys.
Edgar Cold
Look
Snow.
at that.
Look at that dog.
It's like
Yeah, that dog's looking scrumptious.
If I was a dog, you know what I'm saying, I'd get to work.
That dog's looking scrumptious, bro.
This shit look tasty. Why are we going to Manteca?
We're home! Jamal Moonwalk.
Hey, so I'm new at the pizza place, and
This is America.
Okay, so I'm pretty new to this, and this Pax's Pizza. And do you like your pizza deep, thin, or
What is deep thing?
yeah, deep or thin?
I think I would like my pizza. I think I would like my pizza real deep.
And are you? And Margaret head.
First you though.
Fun guy? You want fun guy pizza?
Man, give me all that fungus.
Alright.
Look at my chest.
What are you doing? Do you?
No.